Hey, today we're going to make a lovely celery and carrot soup that's super easy to make. It's vegan, it's very light, only 80 calories per serving, and it tastes amazing. We're going to start by getting a large pot, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it, and make sure it's on medium-high heat. And once the oil is hot, we're going to add in 1 small onion. We're going to dice it first. Dice your small onion. You want to cut it in half, and then cut each side just all the way to the very edge, just to keep it all together. And then we're going to just slice it up, and this is it. Our dices are ready. We're going to transfer them into the large pot and saute for 5 minutes until our onions are tender. While we're cooking our onions, we're going to get 4 medium carrots and nicely peel them, and I'm going to dice them. So you just cut them into 4 parts and then just dice them. It's not gonna be perfect, it doesn't matter, just do it. And then we're going to get 4 stalks of celery. Make sure it's washed, and we're going to cut each celery stick 2 halves and then just dice it up. Obviously they don't look like dices sometimes, and that's fine. Then we're going to add our carrots and celery into our large pot and saute for another 5 minutes with all the onion. Make sure you're mixing it well so it really cooks up. And then the next thing, I'm going to get 4 cloves of garlic and just peel them nicely. You might need to cut the edges so it peels well, and I'm going to just press them into the pot, yes, just like that, and also use a knife to scrape it all off just to make sure that all the garlic is inside the pot. And we're going to then add in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano that we love. We're going to cook this for 30 seconds or so not too long. And then we're going to want to add in 2 cups of vegetable broth. So whether it's made at home or bought, it doesn't matter, it's up to your preference. And then I'm going to pour in 6 cups of water, yes, quite a bit of water. And then we're going to add in a bit of salt and black pepper, just a pinch to taste. I'm going to cover the pot with the lid and bring it to boil. So for that you need to increase the heat, and once that's done, once the water is boiling up, you want to reduce the heat so it simmers. Yes, we want to simmer our soup for around 15 minutes until our veggies are completely tender. And once that's done, you want to let it cool down a little bit, but serve it hot in a bowl and enjoy. It's a lovely soup you can have with a dish. You can have it in the morning, in the afternoon. It's very light on your stomach, it's vegan, it's delicious, very flavorful. We love it, and it's super easy to make, so enjoy. For the full recipe, go to allnutritious.com. If you liked the video, just like it, subscribe, help us out. Have a lovely day and take care. Bye bye.